I'm going to use the React router package so that I can render different components based on the different routes. I shall import router from React router. Secondly, the route, and the third one will be the switch from the React router. Going to import create browser history from the history package so that I can create the history of the browser which will be utilized in the router, and through the router that history will be passed to the child components. Let's declare the history object from create browser history, and then it will be passed to the router like this, and browser router history will be passed to the child component just like home from the router. Now I'll utilize the switch statement, and I'll define the routes for different pages. It will be the exact and path for the home page will be this, and component will be home. Let's again run the server. Npm start. Server has started and it has printed hello world. Let me change the route to, for example, login. I'm saving it. Now it is not printing the hello world on this route. Now let me change the URL link with the login. Yes, here it is printing hello world because I have changed the path from home slash to the login. Let's create few more pages which we are going to utilize in this application. The activation page, and other one will be the login page, and then there will be the sign up page, and then there will be the password reset page, and then there will be the password reset confirm page, and these are all the pages for this moment. If there would be any other, then we will create that one as well. Going to create the JS file for the individual page. Let me copy the JS file of home page and paste it inside the individual page. Later I will change the name and the functionality of individual page here, and I'm going to paste it here. Change it with the name activation page.js, and I'm going here and it is saying activation page, and by default it is export default activation page. It is activation page, and after that I'm going for the login. I'm going to rename it as login. I have renamed it, and here I'm going to use login here, login, and I'm going to say login here. Similarly, for the password reset, it will be the password reset component. These are being created to show you the different functionality of the routes. When I will access the different route, then different page will be rendered. I'm going to show you that thing in a while. Password reset confirm, and here password reset confirm, and here password reset confirm. Let me change the name of this file as well. Password reset confirm, and then we are going into the sign up page. Sign up, and here I'm going to use sign up, and I'm writing here sign up and export default sign up. I'm going to save the individual page, and I'm going to browse the files, and I'm going to call the individual component here in the import login from slash login page slash login. Let me check. Yes, this is the page, and after that I'm going to import sign up from sign up. Similarly, import activation page from pages, and it will be from activation page slash activation page.js. And similarly, I'm going to import the password reset from pages slash password reset slash password reset.js, and then password reset confirm. I'm going to take it from dot pages slash password reset confirm slash password reset confirm, and I'm going to declare the routes for the individual component. Here the component will be the login, then component will be the sign up, then component will be the password reset, then there will be the component password reset confirm, and I'm going to utilize another route for activation page. Here I'm going to define route login, and then sign up, then password reset. I'm going to make it like this, and then password reset confirm, and then activation. I'm going to save it and check it the individual routes. Login. Yes, login has been printed. And then I'm going to print sign up. Sign up is being printed. Then password dash reset. Yes, it is coming. And then password reset confirm. It is coming. And last one is the activation page. It is activation page. So we have defined different pages, components, which are going to render based on the different routes. I have created different pages and imported those pages in the app.js file and defined different routes for the individual page, and individual page is working fine on the different route.